In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eBay shipping policies. By the end, you'll have a reusable shipping policy that keeps your listings consistent, saves time, and helps set clear expectations for your buyers. Start by signing into eBay on a desktop browser. On any page, hover your cursor over your account name at the top of the site to open the menu. From that drop-down, click Account Settings. This area is where you control the nuts and bolts of your seller account, and it's where eBay keeps your reusable policies. On the account settings page, look for business policies and click it. Business policies group your standard payment, return, and shipping settings. If you don't see the option right away, eBay may prompt you to enable it. Once it's on, you'll be able to manage everything from one place. Next, click Create Policy. You'll be asked which type of policy you want to make. Choose Shipping. This tells eBay you're building the rules that govern how your items will be shipped, how much shipping costs, and how quickly you'll dispatch orders. Give your policy a clear, memorable name. Think of a naming convention you can reuse, such as region, speed, and cost. For example, something like US Standard, free 2-day handling, makes it obvious when you're picking from a list later. Add a brief description. This is for your reference, so include helpful notes like carrier preferences, size or weight ranges, or when you plan to offer expedited upgrades. These notes make it easier to keep policies straight as your catalog grows. Now select your shipping method. Choose the services you want to offer, such as standard or expedited options. Pick services that match the size and weight of the items you typically sell and align with your promised delivery windows. Choose your cost type. Flat rate charges the same amount to every buyer you ship to in the covered region. Calculated lets eBay figure the cost based on weight and distance. You can also set free shipping if you're building the cost into your price. Consider your margins and your audience. Free shipping can improve conversion, while calculated keeps you safe on heavier items. Set your handling time. This is how quickly you'll ship after the order is placed. Choose a time frame you can consistently meet. Reliable handling times protect your seller metrics and keep buyers happy. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new shipping policy is now ready to use, and you can apply it to any listing so those settings carry over automatically. That's it. Your shipping workflow is streamlined and consistent.